Hi guys, welcome to episode number 74, Chaffles for Life. Today we're making pecan chaffles. Now if you don't want to use pecans, you can use walnuts, and this particular recipe called for 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, half of a teaspoon of almond flour, a fourth of a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 large egg, a fourth of a cup of chopped walnuts or pecans, and a pinch of stevia. And then I used a couple of tablespoons of Choc to top it off. And then I just added a little more pecans. So instead of using the walnuts, I used pecans. And then what I did was I preheated my waffle maker, and then I didn't spray it like I probably should have, and it would have been, even if you don't spray it, it was still fine. So I added everything into a small bowl, got everything all mixed up. And then the problem I was having was with the cream cheese. I should have softened it up a little bit first before I started mixing it up, but I still got it softened enough so that I could use it. And then I took a spoon and I put it over the top of the dash after it was heated up, and I ended up getting 2 out of this, and one of them overfilled a little bit, and I was just cutting it off with the scissors just to get a good thumbnail. And then I noticed that these, like most of these, sometimes they deflate, and but then at the end, I just wanted to add a little bit of cinnamon on the top of it, and then I added some Choc to give it a little sweetness of the taste there. And these came out really good. And again, I'm just being creative with the recipe book that I picked up from Amy Delore, and I just modified it a little bit and kind of made it my way. But what we're going to start doing, guys, with these recipes that she has in there, we're going to take, say, like 5 recipes a week from her book, and then if I need the ingredients, I'll pick everything up as I need to. But these came out really good. I would encourage you to keep trying and be watching for the next video, and have a good day. And again, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a nice comment below the video, because it does help the YouTube algorithms to know that YouTube and that I'm putting out good content. But anyways, love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a great day.